Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video, we're gonna check out this beautiful 2026 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross Noir Edition. So there's some new changes in 2026 lineup, and they got rid of the SCL trim level. So now there's only 4 trim levels. There's ESSC, Noir Edition, and then GT. So if you want a sunroof and stuff like that, you got to go to a GT trim level. So this one here is the Noir Edition, and also new to the Noir Edition is that you can have it in more colors. So it used to be black or this dark gray. Now there's 4 colors. There's black, dark gray, there's this red diamond, and also white diamond color. I think it's a fantastic thing that Mitsubishi did, adding all these colors to the mix, because people really like these Noir editions. And it's been a huge hit on pretty much all of the cars, on the RVRs or the Outlanders and PHEVs, whatever they come with these blackout versions, these black editions. They always sell well, and it looks really good too. So on this one here, we're gonna check out what's so special about it, and you can make your own judgment if you like it or not, or maybe you want to see a different color as well. Leave the comment if you want to see a different color video, and I'll definitely make that for you. So let's go with this one here right now. We do have blackout wheels, and of course that's the one thing that pops in our eyesight right away. Blacked out wheels, these black mirror caps, and the roof rails as well. So that kind of gives it away that they're dealing here with this Noir edition, and it gotta say it contrasts really nicely with this red diamond color. And especially nice, the red diamond, is that it kind of changes how it looks depending on the weather and you know, how much sunlight do we get. It looks like this during the cloudy day, and then when it's direct sunlight, it looks a little bit different, and it just plays around really nicely with everything that we have going on. You can notice that the lower bumper part right here is this piano gloss, so you do have a little bit different gloss elements around the vehicle. So the wheels are glossy, then you have the black the satin looking plastic right here in the corners, and then this part right here again is glossy. So it's kind of taking from the GT trim level, where you have the glossy elements of the vehicle. Of course, you do have the Eclipse Cross hood emblem right here, and we also added the black side molding here at in our shop as well, just so it contrasts a little bit more and emphasizes that this one here is that Noir edition. Those tinted windows, they come with a factory tint already, like that from the factory. And one thing I want to point out, on the previous year, the 2025, you had this larger spoiler that was also black, and you also had the sunroof and the aluminum pedals. So stuff like that Mitsubishi took away to reduce the price of the Eclipse Cross Noir Edition. And I gotta say, I kind of like this strategy where things go down in price instead of up all the time. Yes, you're missing out a few options, but the spoiler you can add afterwards if you want. The pedals, same thing. Sunroof, of course you can't, you gotta move up to the GT, but not everybody cared too much about those things, so that's why we have this here as part of the Noir edition. And you can notice that the lower bumper part here as well on the Noir edition right here, this part is glossy, and it just again gives you different trim level, different visual appearance. So here we have this nice Noir badge, we can see it right here, and that's of course also is a good indication that this one here is the Noir trim level. Let's check the interior, and we'll see how it looks. So let's open up the door, and by the way, you can lock and unlock the door with this button right here. As soon as you lock it, the mirrors fold down, you unlock it, and the mirrors fold up. So that's what you have. As you open the door, we can see that we have these suede interiors that are exclusive to Noir edition. No sunroof on this one. If you want a sunroof, you got to move up all the way to GT, but you do have the head-up display right here hidden if you want it. If not, don't use it. It's folded down for you. We can see we have lots of buttons here: forward collision mitigation, lane keep assist, traction control, the power trunk open right here, and this one adjusts the brightness and position of the head-up display. I really like the Eclipse Cross interior, and let's check it out in a little bit more detail. Steering wheel is nice. I like this piano gloss, the silver here, and of course the shiny Mitsubishi logo right here. So let's start the button, and I really like how there's this chrome ring around the button. That looks really cool. Same thing with Mitsubishi emblem, red diamonds, white lettering, and that's how we know the Mitsubishi done it right. Of course, the main screen, they don't have this full LCD, so you have a bit of an LCD screen right here, and then you have a lot of these analog dials, which I do like that mix all together. Interior, I think, still looks up to date. It looks really nice, and you know, you don't have a lot of these like screens and everything else that you have in other cars, and that's a lot of the times what customers actually are appreciating with these SUVs that Mitsubishi has. It's just this simplicity. And also the fact that they went down in MSRP, not up, is a refreshing thing to have. So in today's day where you kind of like, you know, you blink and things go up in price, Mitsubishi has been very good. They have not jacked the prices up during the inflation and everything else. They figured out the manufacturing part that works for them. And I'm happy to see that people do appreciate it. Of course, this one here will have the 360 camera. We can see the bird's eye view here, and we have the reverse right here. Steering wheel is really nice to touch. So you have this perforated side right here, and then you have this regular leather part right here. So it's a pretty good steering wheel. And again, this piano gloss part, I really like it. Same thing on the door, and the door design works for me really well as well. So that's the interior. And of course the exterior is you know, where it really stands apart with this NOIR edition, and it's a really nice SUV. So if you want to come and test drive this here at Tri-City Mitsubishi, please do so. This one here is ready to rock whenever you are. So thank you so much again for checking out this car, and see you next time around.